If you're ready to make the fluffiest chocolate chip pancakes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. I'm first gonna start with my dry ingredients and add them in. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour right here. To the flour, I'm going to use baking powder. Baking powder is what makes these pancakes really fluffy and helps them rise. I'm also adding a little bit of granulated sugar, some salt, and with a whisk, I'm going to combine. To the flour mixture, I'm going to add an egg right in the middle and some milk. Use whichever milk you like, melted butter, and now we whisk. Now, I like to break up the egg first with my whisk in the middle and then start combining it with the rest of the wet ingredients. Now, as you can see, I'm combining everything thoroughly and I'm going from the outside in to whisk my flour and everything until there are no lumps, and that's good enough. Let me give you a quick close-up of what the batter looks like. As you can see, it's super smooth. Now you can add the chocolate chips into the batter, or once you pour it on the griddle, right onto the pancakes. Both ways work. Let's make sure that our chocolate chips are distributed. Now you do want to make sure that when you scoop some of the batter out, it includes a generous amount of chocolate chips, but you leave some in the bowl for the remaining pancakes. Today I'm making my pancakes on a griddle so I can make more at once, but you can use a pan too, of course. Once the pan or your griddle is hot, then you're going to grease it with either butter or spray, whatever you use at your house works. And then I'm gonna pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake. Now remember to make sure everyone's got a good mix of chocolate chips. You know the pancakes are ready to be flipped when the edges are defined and you see small little bubbles beginning to form. Once we flip this batch, we're gonna cook it on the other side for about 1 to 2 minutes, and they're ready to be taken off our griddle onto a plate. I'm gonna serve these with some sliced bananas right on top, a few extra chocolate chips for good measure, and some syrup, of course. Don't these look amazing? Let's try these. Gooey chocolate chips in every bite? Yes, please. Grab the ingredient measurements right below the video, and if you need to keep your batch of pancakes warm, make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.